At night, in the rail yard, anything can go wrong. You have to make sure first you have your airlines tight to touch and tight to vision. Number two, you have to make sure the kingpin is locked. Number three, the landing gear have to be up. The kingpin have to be locked for 100%. That is locked, which means there is no silver light. The kingpin is silver, look like silver, like here. If you look at here, here's the kingpin. Here's the kingpin. It looks like silver when you shine the flash on it. And the most terrible thing are the tandem pins, because this is a yard, a rail yard. The tandems here are abused badly. You have to make sure you are locked. You are locked. It's all the way out. There is no other one in the back. Another, of course, you have to make sure the container is locked. The container is locked and I tied with a plastic tie. It is locked here and tied. And here the bin is perfectly locked. Perfectly locked. So we are safe here. The tires are okay. No damage to the surface of the container. We are ready to roll. One more look from here. We are good. We are good. That is night time in the rail yard.